Hello and good evening everyone. How are you all? Welcome to the COMEDK session of your COMEDK Launchpad session of your maths. Today we're going to discuss, as promised, integration. Okay, so I've taken very important, most important questions from the integration chapter, both of definite and indefinite kind, and we'll discuss it with the detailed solution in this particular session. Okay, so let's see who all are here. All right, let's check. So I can see a lot of students already here. Hello Sagufta, good evening. How are you? Okay, so it will be a very to the point session. I can see. So we'll do more of work today and less discussion. Unless you have something to ask, we can do that as well. Of course, let's start. So I'm gonna start the question since Sagufta is already here. I'll give you the first question. Try this out. Give me the answer. It's a PYQ 2024. So solve it. Mohit is also here. Hi Mohit. Okay. So all of you who are here, please solve this question. As you know, I want the answers from all of you. You have to give the answers, and of course I'm going to give you the solutions from my side as well. So please check. B is the right answer from the Mohit. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, P is right. Option B is correct here. So of course we know that. We have two answers for this actually. We can also have in terms of log as well. We can also have this in terms of log of cosec minus cot of the same angle. Okay, so if you simplify this question, yes, I can see Damini has given the answer. Shreya, so yes, Shagufta, B is correct. Hi Shudha. All right, so let's start here. What is there? We can write this answer as, so we have to use substitution over here, right? We can write this as x e power x as t. Differentiate, we're going to get this as 1 e power x plus, we have x e power x equals to dt by dx, okay, which gives me this value of e power x plus, okay, I can take e power x common actually. I can take e power x common, so I'll have over here, देखिए, it'll become 1 plus x with dx equals to simply dt that is there in the numerator. Of course it is. So we have over here dt upon simply sine t, right? Simply sine t, giving me this value as integration of cosec t dt. This can have two forms, either log of tan t by 2 plus c, or also we can have one more form is there in the question. If the option is different, you can try this out, log of cosec t minus cot t, okay, plus c. So both answers are correct. In this case, option B is the right choice. So please check, everyone. All right. So when do you start PYQ, sir? I didn't get a question from all the chapters, sir. What about admit card? Good evening. Good evening, Aditya. Okay. Shreya is saying yes. I don't know. Yeah, correct. That's right. That's true. So option B is correct. Okay. So let's move on to question number 2 now. Evaluate first one. This is a special integration, right? Please check. You're going to use sine inverse in this form. What do you have? You have to make, the first step is to make, sir, perfect square over here. क्या करना है हम लोग को? Sorry, we have to do here perfect square. We have to do here perfect square. Please check. The questions are similar, of course. Concept and question level is similar, but if you see and go in the questions level of PU1, you'll find it more difficult and more challenging. And of course, PU1 weightage is a little more in COMEDK than the KSAT. So PU2 is more or less same, but PU1 chapters are having more weightage, and of course questions are a little different category. Okay, yes. Okay, hi Shreya. Answer is A. Is it answer A? Let me check here. So I'll have over here perfect square. If I'm making 9 plus, Shagufta, give me the answer, 8x minus x square. I can solve this. We'll have here, I can take, sir, minus sign common, right? I'll have here 8x, sorry, minus, and of course plus x square will be there. I can get this as 9 minus sign is there, x square minus 2 times of 4 times of x. Okay, so I have to add here plus 4, right? Please check. I have 8x means I have to write here plus 4 square minus 4 square going to be how much, sir? Minus 16. Okay, and it will become what? It will become 9 minus of minus 16. This minus here, this minus becomes plus 16. So I have 25 over here minus of x minus 4 the whole square. Of course this is in the root, so we'll put it in the root, and we have 1 upon this, integration is there in this dx. Now if you check here, I'll have what, sir? Sine inverse is there, so I have here sine inverse of x minus 4 by 5. Option is what, sir? C, right? Yeah. Yes, so I can see the answers now. Yeah, Arav, I think I given your answers of the question. Option Aditya is correct, C is right. Guys, you've given option is A correct. Please check. Gupta has given the right answer. Sri is correct. Shreya, C is correct. Mohit, C is correct. Please check your answers. Why option A was correct for all of you? The result is simply what, sir? Simply sin inverse of x minus 4 by 5. Is that okay? Yes. Sir, could you please do must do PYQs of COMEDK? Yes, dear. That's what we are doing. No, I'm not picking all the questions of PYQs. Okay. So I'm picking the latest problems you can check here, or the ones which is more can be expected this year as well. Basically, different variety of questions. For example, first one was based upon substitution question. Again, integration of trigonometric function. Second one is based upon what, sir? Sin inverse, ITF is there. So different category of questions are there. So please check. All right, let's continue from here. Question number 3. Who is solving this? Question number 3. Again, this is a different question than the previous two. So you can check here the question that I'm taking here are of different varieties. So you are of course related to all the different type concepts which is there in this chapter. Okay. Yes, yeah, we'll try. Okay. Saurabh will try from our side to create something like this. Can you solve this question? Everyone who are live, can you solve this problem? Value of 0 to 1 x 1 minus x power n dx is what? How do you solve this question? So you're going to use what? Any hint from others who are live? Give me please answer. What are you going to do about this question? How to solve this question, sir? Yes, we'll try it here. Option C. Yes, option C is right answer, but what do you do in this question? How do you solve this question? Any approach? Can you give me answer? Saurav, Gautam. Multiply x in the bracket. No. There's an easier way, right? What's the easier way? Anyone? Anyone giving me the right approach for this question? Come on, give me the hint. We can use by parts, sir. We can use by parts. Okay. We have a algebraic function. We have exponential function. So what is the preference given to? Of course, algebraic function. So keep x as it is. Integrate this. You'll have 1 minus x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And check the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is minus 1. So put here minus 1. This is the first part. Okay. And from where to where, sir? From 0 to 1, of course. There's a minus sign. Integration one more time. Derivative of x, first function derivative, will be simply 1, and the same thing will repeat. We have over here 1 minus x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. There's a minus sign over here, right? Which makes this minus positive. I have a minus sign over here. Same thing will come on this side. We'll have again positive. This will be coming with dx, of course. Right? Yes. All right, please check. So what I can do from here now, this will be simply going to be 0, sir, because if I put 1 over here, I'll have 1 minus 1, so 0. Upper limit will be 0. Put here 0, you're going to again have 0. Please check. Put here 1, this will become 0, this bracket is 0. Put here 0, this bracket is 0. So this whole first term will be 0 itself. I can integrate one more time. What's the constant here? 1 upon n plus 1. So keep this n plus 1 outside. Okay, and integrate this part. You'll have this as 1 minus x power n plus 1 divided by, again same thing, n plus 2 times of minus 1, and this time again we'll have this limit under 0 to 1. 0 to 1, right? So I can continue over here. I'll have the constants with me. So I have here minus 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 2, and inside I have, sir, 1 minus x power n plus 2 from 0 to 1. Put here 1, you get this as 0. Right? Solve it like this. You have here 0, you get minus sign, and over here you'll have, put here 0, you're going to get 1 over here. So you'll have, please check minus 1, which will make this positive. Answer will turn out to be 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 2, as Gautam Chauhan gave me the first option. C is right. Option C is correct. Yeah. Yes, correct. All right. Okay, Bhargav, we'll see. We'll check this out. If there's an update, we'll let you know from on our channel itself. You'll get, as soon as we get an update, you'll get the update from our side as well on the channel, on the platform itself. Okay. Aage badhe. This question is easy, everyone. What about this problem? Again, see, every question is different in its own way, right? Next is based upon, there's no function given over here, simply relations of integration we're going to use and get this result. So we have two integrals given here, I1 and I2. You have two integrals I1 and I2. I'm looking for the ratio of I2 and I1. How do you solve this question? So if you are solving for I2, right? Yes. Somebody was telling me about right now King's rule. We can use that here. We get on this side as substitute x as a plus 0 minus x. Substitute x as a plus 0 minus x. How much is that? Simply a minus x. What I get for this? Limit remains same. We have here f of a minus x times of g of a minus x, okay, with dx of course. What is f of a minus x, sir? Same as fx. Check the first statement. Same as fx. So write this a2 I2 equals to 0 to a f of x, and this part will become what? Please check. It will become 2 minus gx. I want to keep this value, right? I'll get this gx on this side. I'll have 2 minus gx right here. 2 minus g of x dx. G of x dx. Okay. We can do the expansion over here. I'll have I2 as, please check, twice of 0 to a f of x dx minus sign will come. Over here again I get gx dx, right? This value is nothing but I2. This value is nothing but 2I1. So I'm getting here I2 equals to 2I1 minus I2. Move on this side. I get 2I2 equals to 2I1. So I have here I2 by I1 dear is equals to 2 by 2, which is 1 by 1. 1 by 1, option is simply A. Please check. Option is simply A. Yes, Gautam, correct. Yes, I did not get your question. Sir, please tell simple method or tricks to solve the questions. Isn't these questions are simple itself? Do you think this is tricky problem? No. Okay. Yeah. All right. Other than that, if you want some tricks, short tricks for the questions, I've done do one thing on our platform. You can search short tricks for mathematics for KSET. I've done. You can use that. And again, I'll be making one video. This was asked by Uday. I'll make a video on the short tricks and tips. Don't worry, and you can watch that. Very soon I'll give you a video on the short tricks and tips. Okay. Chaliye. Yes, this is correct. Yeah, Aditya, one is right. Gautam, one is right. Shagufta also, A is correct. Moving on. This is clear. Okay. Next one. Please solve this question, everyone. Please solve this question, everyone. What's the answer? 1 upon sin x cos square x. So simply put 1 as what? Sin square plus cos square. 1 as what? Sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin x cos square x dx. Okay. What will be there, sir? You can separate the terms. You will have here this and this will be, please check. You will have here sin square by sin, right? It will become sin by sin x by cos square x. Correct? No? Because you have sin square x over here, you have only one sin x. You cancel one of the terms. You will have only sin x left in the numerator, and of course cos square x remains as it is. And next one you will have what, sir? Please check. You will have cos square by cos square will be cancelled. You have 1 by sin left. You have 1 by sin x left. Okay. Is it right? No. Okay, this is going to be sin square cos square x. Yeah, correct only. So what we have over here, so answer will come out as sin by cos will become tan. So we'll have over here integration of first part will become, so tan sec tan x and sec x. Sin by cos will be tan. Sin by cos is tan, and we have one more cos left, which will become sec, and plus we have cosec over here. Integration. Answer for this. Answer for this. Sagufta has given the answer as C. C is wrong, dear. Sagufta, C is wrong for this question. Answer should be option D, right? I just explained to you this. This integration is what, sir? Sec x, and this will going to be plus log of cosec minus cot, right? Cosec x minus cot x. First question we did, plus C. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Yes, now it's correct. Option D is correct. Correct, Gautam. So earlier option C was given. Please check. It was incorrect. Okay. Option D is correct. Shall I move on from here? Yes. Anyone has doubts in this particular question? You can ask me. Not a problem. Okay. This is simple, right? Okay. Next we have e power sin x sin 2x dx. Answer from everyone. Come on. Everyone should give me the right answer for this question. Yeah. Still waiting from all of you. Okay, a lot of students are live here. Please give your answers as well. Get more interactive in the sessions. That's the purpose of live. If you have some queries to ask, questions to ask, get it done. I think Sagufta has given the answer to me. Hello, Alpha Kenny. Answer should be option D. That is correct. Sagufta, good. Okay, very simple question. What I can do about this? E power sin x will keep as it is, and over here you can check. Write this as 2 sin x, and of course cos x for sin 2x. This remains as it is as dx. Take the 2 outside and take sin x as t. Take sin x as t. So you'll have cos x dx as dt. You'll have cos x dx as dt. Please check the integration now. Over here you have 2 is outside, e power t is there. Of course you'll have this as times t dt. By parts going to be used over here. Preference is given to t, keeping this integration as it is, minus derivative of t will become 1, integration of this is going to be et again with dt. We have over here twice of, please check, the operation is ILATE, right? So algebra has the preference over the exponential function. That's why I've kept this as function number 1, kept as it is. Integrating the second function, e power t integration is what, sir? Integral of e power t is e power t only, right? And then comes a minus sign, derivative of the first function will become 1. Integration of this second function will be again e power t, and we have to integrate this one more time. We get here t e power t minus e power t plus c. Take here 2 common, sorry 2 is there, take here e power t common. I get here t minus 1 plus c, put back the value of t. We have 2 e power sin x minus 1 plus c. Sin x minus 1 plus c. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Yes. So yes, Shaurav, D is correct. Gautam, D is correct. Yeah. So anyone has doubt in this particular problem can be asked. Okay. Otherwise, we'll move on. Great. Please check. Visible, right? Can we move on? Yes. This question from 2023 paper. Who's solving this problem? Simple enough, very simple. Again, this is going to be application of by parts. Application of by parts. Answer. Great. I think Saurav is replying that he doesn't have any doubt. Okay. So by parts, please solve this problem. You have to apply this to individually both the terms. Okay. Apply to the individually both the terms. Answer from anyone? So let me solve it only. So we're gonna take here this as second function, this as first function. Reason being we have a derivative over here, that's why. Okay. So I have for the first part, please check, fx as it is, integration of the second one. We have this as second derivative. Please check. G double dash integration is what, sir? Simply g dash. So I get here g dash. Okay, g dash of x. Next comes here minus sign. I'm doing for the first part still. Okay, this is my first part. I'm doing for the first part only. I'll have over here derivative of the first one, so I get f dash of x, and next comes your integration one more time. We'll be having g dash of x. This is one more time with dx. Close this. This is only first part. Let me call this to be second part. I'll integrate this as well. We have here 2, very clear. 2 is there. Okay, and how do you solve this? Please check. So what I can do is same approach I will use. This time we're going to take this as the function number 1 and this as function number 2. Keeping this gx as it is, integrate the double derivative of the f dash of fx. You'll have this as f dash of x. Okay, there comes a minus sign. Again, one more integration. Derivative of g, this time you'll have g dash of x. You'll have g dash of x, and this will be same thing as f dash of x. Sir, please check. You have subtraction of these two, right? You have a minus sign over here. This minus this. Please check. This is a minus sign. 1 minus 2. If you take minus sign, becomes this part, this negative part will become positive, right? This minus and minus will become positive. You have a negative, means this and this will be cancelled, sir. These two are cancelled. What I'm getting here, f g dash g f dash. F g dash g f dash. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. So a lot of students have got this question wrong. Okay. Chauhan, Gautam, wrong. Sagufta, why dear? Saurabh, B is wrong. Chaturya has given A as the right answer. Okay. Yes, Aditya has given now A. That's correct, but very disappointed, guys. This is not a difficult question, is it? Apply by parts, okay? So see, a double derivative is there. No, I can what do you call, integrate this easier. And of course, you can apply this to form of uv dash or duv. Okay, by parts application question. Answer is option A. It's a PYQ from 2023. You guys have doubt in this part? All of you got wrong. Ask me your doubt. All of you who got this question wrong, ask me your doubt. Yes, Sagufta, Sharab, what was the mistake, dear? What was the mistake? Please tell me. No one? I'll continue from here then. Okay, great. E power x 1 plus x we have with dx, of course. Sine square x e power x is also there. This is a very simple question actually. If you take this substitution, right, x e power x as t, derivative will become what, sir? 1 again, e power x will be there, plus x e power x equals to dt by dx, giving me this value as, please check. Here e power x is common, I get 1 plus x dx equals to dt, dx equals to dt. Now simply use this in the numerator, please check. E power x 1 plus x dx is there. This whole thing will become integration of dt upon sine square t. So integration of cosec square t dt, answer is going to be what? Minus cot t plus c. So minus cot, what is t, sir? X e power x plus c. Minus cot x e power x plus c. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. This is clear, right? Okay. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, so sine, sir, clear, sir. Sir, with 115 in CET, what will my CET rank? Dear ma'am has done on our platform, you can see a video is there just to compare your ranks and the marks. Go ahead, check it out. You'll find it in the video section. You'll find a small video which is available, which compares your board's marks with the CET marks and will give you an average idea of your rank this year. Okay, please go ahead and check it out. Okay, so Gupta has given the B answer, that's correct. Saurav, okay, again B is correct. Chaturya, B is also correct. So all of you have given the right answer for this particular question. I think this was easier for all of you. Great. So let's begin now. Next one. So guys, if you have doubts, you can please ask. Don't leave it just as it is. Okay. So please ask your concerns if you have any. What is next? Dx upon integration of 3x plus 5 times of x power minus 1. X power, sorry, minus n. How do you solve this question? Take x power n in the denominator. You'll have this fraction as dx upon 3x plus 5 upon x power n. Okay. If you want, you can take it numerator or simply multiply everything by x power n. You'll have this result. You'll have here as x power n, sir, divided by, what is this? 3 times of x power n plus 1 plus 5. Of course, dx is there. Of course, dx is there. Now take this x power n plus 1 with 3 plus 5 as a variable t. Derivative of this will be, what's the 3 times of n plus 1 and x power n, okay, equals to dt by dx. So I get x power n dx equals to dt upon 3n plus 1. Now this is your trick. Check here, in any of the question that you are having, write this form first. We have dt over here, we have 1 upon 3n plus 1. What is this value, sir? This will become simply t, right? Any other question that you have, okay, do you have 3 times of n plus 1 in any other question? No, sir. There is no question like that. Option will be simply C. Simply C. Please check. So your answer will become 1 upon 3 times of n plus 1 log of t, right? What is t over here? Please check. 3 times of x power n plus 1 plus 5 plus c. Is that right? That's correct. Have a look. This is clear, right? Option is C. Let's check your comments. What are you saying? Okay, so I can see here Uday is back. Long time Uday. Okay, so C is correct. Yes, C is correct. All right. Okay, I hope this is visible here. Yeah. Any doubt you have in this particular question? I hope no. I hope not. Let's move on. Next one. Okay, what is there? This problem, sir. No need to solve this question. Give me answer directly. All of you give me the answer directly in this particular question. What's the answer here? What's the answer for this question? Yes. Uday, D is correct. Saurabh also has given D is right answer. D is correct. Because in this case, if you take this the denominator as 10 power x plus x power 10 as simply t, derivative will become what here? X times of 10 power. What is it? No, this is 10 power x, right? Excuse me, my bad. It's exponential function. It is exponential function, my bad. It will be simply 10 power x ln 10, right? Ln 10, and you have over here plus 10 times of x power 9 equals to dt by dx. So I get the answer as this will become simply multiply with dx. This whole thing you check here will become simply dt. So we have dt upon t. Answer will be log of t plus c. What is t, sir? Here please check. 10 power x plus x power 10. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Everyone. Shagufta, yes, that's correct here. Aditya, D is right. D is right option. Very good. Extremely right answer. Very simple. You can see not all the questions will be challenging in nature. What about this one? Come on, give me the answer for this one as well, all of you. It's use of particular functions, right? Yeah. Of course, in this kind of questions, no, you have to remember the formulas. Otherwise, you can't solve this problem at all. Formulas you should remember. So all of you who are here, give me the answer for this question. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. I'm checking. I'm waiting for your comments. Yes, B has been one answer. B is the right answer actually there. Good. B is the right answer. Because if we make the whole square over here, no, the perfect square on this part, you'll end up with what? You'll end up with what is it? X square plus 2 times of x times 1, okay? And of course, what is missing over here? 4 is missing. So right here plus 4 minus 4. And of course, you have over here what? Plus 4 minus 4, and we have here plus 5, right? Plus 5 is there. So I get here x plus 2 the whole square plus 1, right? Plus 1, okay? And that's right. Excuse me. It's actually wrong. It's actually wrong, sir. I was thinking that only. What is the mistake over here? X square plus, I get here 1 only, no? Plus 1, then I get right here plus 4. So I get here x plus 1 the whole square actually. X plus 1 the whole square. And we have here plus 2 square, right? That's correct now. So this is, there's a formula for this. Remember this integration, x square plus a square. This is the formula for this integration. What's the formula, sir? We have x by 2, same root repeats, x square plus a square plus a square by 2. Again, you have log of x plus same root repeats, x square plus a square. Okay, please check now what I'm getting. So x by 2 means, in this case, x is x plus 1. So x plus 1 by 2. So option 2, B is looking good so far. A square by 2. What is a square, sir? 2 square by 2. How much is that? 4 by 2. So again, I'm getting here 4 by 2 is 2. That is also correct. Please check that I'm saying the same root repeats means that whatever is the root over here, same root repeats. What is the root here? X square plus 2x plus 5. Okay. Again, 2 is the log of x. What is the x value in this case? X plus 1. So right here x plus 1 plus the same root repeats. Option B is correct. Okay, I can see some comments. So next time can you do GP conic section? Okay, straight lines and statistics. Okay dear, I think I'll check. I think we have done some of the sessions. Have I not done conic? If not, I'll do it. Don't worry, I'll do it. Sir, mock test की नीड थी, प्लीज़ हेल्प सर. कॉमेट के ऑफिशियल साइट वाले में आंसर की नहीं है. आप लास्ट में मॉक टेस्ट प्रोवाइड होगा क्या सीरीज़ के? Okay, so I'm telling you one thing, mock test, if you want to give, we are actually thinking of something. So that will be incomplete mock test actually, what is there in the platform. That is given to help you get used to the conditions of examination. If you want to have a mock test, you have to purchase a mock test, okay, of course. So there are a lot of mock tests available in the market. You can go ahead and check it out. Otherwise, if you were a part of your COMEDK crash course that we are doing, you'll get the mock test over, I think, total of 12 mock tests available over there. So we'll see. You can, of course, mock test is very, very important. This is from Vyom, okay. Answers key will not be given for that mock test in our series. We'll see. We'll try to provide something else, okay. So there's no confirmation as such, Vyom, right now, okay, because that is only given to make you familiar with the platform, that mock test which is given in the COMEDK platform, okay. Great. So this is clear, everyone. No doubt in this particular problem. All good, right? Yeah. Yeah, so I think Vyom was right. Vyom is right that there's not many questions coming from statistics. I think in the last 10 years, you'll see total 5-6 questions has come from the PU1 part. PU1 has statistics, right? That part has come. Sir, KSET के जो अपने lectures लिया है वो sufficient है? Yes, dear. Like the thing is, no, more or less it is. Of course, concept level is same only, right? But problems will be different. And in PU1 part, no, you have something extra added. Okay, so in PU1, if you see some extra concepts are useful or being the question has been asked and frame on that. So PU1 is a little tricky for the COMEDK part. Excuse me, dear. Sorry. I hope I did not disturb you all. Excuse me. Pardon me for that. Hydra is asking, sir, KSET for, okay, I already explained you that. Option is A. Correct, no? So Gupta has got me the right answer for this question. How do you solve this? Tan inverse of, if you have, sir, tan inverse of alpha and you have here cot inverse of, let's say, 1 by alpha is same, they're same, no? So I can write here tan inverse of 1 by, this is, please check here, if this is alpha, this is 1 by alpha, right? So I can write this part as cot inverse of alpha. Basically, I'm trying to say this, we have integration from -1 to 3, right? Right here, tan inverse of, let's call this angle to be alpha. And this is given as plus tan inverse of 1 by alpha, okay, of course with the dx. So please check, I'll end up with what, sir? I'll end up with over here -1 to 3 tan inverse of alpha as it is, and this will become what? Plus cot inverse of alpha, cot inverse of alpha, okay. So I get here what, sir? Tan inverse of plus cot inverse will become simply pi by 2. This is a property for this. Integral of pi by 2 from where to where? From -1 to 3 with dx. Pi by 2 is a constant, keep it outside. We get x from where to where? -1 to 3. I have here pi by 2, 3 minus of -1. So pi by 2, 4. Answer is going to be what, sir? 2 pi. 2 pi A is correct. Okay. All right, so this is clear, everyone. Yeah, so this completes your session today, okay. And again, if you want more thing, as you was discussing, somebody was asking me the sessions next time on conic section GP. We'll do that session, no problem. I think just everyone let me know, do you want GP and conic section next time? Because you guys asked me for this integration today. That's why I've taken the most relevant, and you were commenting that, sir, please take the recent year PYQs. That's why I've taken PYQs of recent years, okay. So I've taken that as well. All right, okay, so let me just answer this question from Hydra Vampy. He's saying Vampy actually, okay, sir, can I watch this series and KSET series? Yeah, you're welcome, Shagufta. If you want, you can continue with your preparations. Anyone who has been done with the session, please go ahead and start your preparation. Don't have to stay back. I'm going to answer the question that is there. So we have a question from Hydra Vampy. So can I watch this series and KSET series to हो जाएगा? क्योंकि वो complete होने वाली है मेरी. So the thing is, I'm telling you, the series of KSET, as told you, PU1 part is a little different, okay. PU2 is almost same, and of course don't just do this much. If you want to get a good marks in COMEDK, of course you need to practice some more mocks. So I hope you've taken some mock tests. If not, you can take any of the mock tests available. If you can take a COMEDK crash course which is going on right now. We still have some time, right? We still have almost 9 days. You can do some mock tests over there. At least try to solve 4 or 5 more mock tests. And we are planning, we can do something in the mock test area for all of you. We'll certainly do that, okay. Don't worry. Sir, do GP and conic section next time. Okay, fine, taken, dear. I'm telling you, everyone, next session I'm doing GP and conic section. All of you was asked, okay, one student has asked like this, So please confirm everyone. Next session, GP and conic section. Sir, admit card. Damni, if there is any update coming our way, we'll let you know as soon as possible. Okay, don't worry. So if not through a video, we'll let you know. What do you call? Through our post in the if you have joined the WhatsApp channel, we'll let you know there as well. If we are getting the COMEDK update for the admit card. Okay, so. So right now mock test we are not, as of now we don't have any mock test available. We have crash course available. Okay, we'll see. We are trying to work out something. If we can, if possible, we can give you mock test as well. Okay, just give us some time. We'll just do one thing. You can leave your comments, your queries in at the end of this live session, not in the comment, not in the live chat, in the comment section. Okay, if we can do something, we'll of course do that to help you out. Neha is asking, I'm done with maths and physics, almost chemistry revision. Very good, Neha. That's very good. That's pretty good, right? If you're done with maths is the most hectic subject actually in the COMEDK. Okay, but if you're done with mathematics, then of course very good deal. Please try to give mock test. As much mock you can write, it will be better for you to increase your accuracy and speed in the examination. Okay, you're welcome. Hydra, Vampi, Ramini, you're welcome. Okay, so guys, if you have other questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, if your other queries, know what you can do, simply in the most recent videos that we have on our platform, whether it is live or whatever it is, please leave your queries or comments in the comment section. We'll get back to you for sure. Okay. Yeah, any plan for 9 days? So yes, we have plans for 9 days. Don't worry. Be tuned to our WhatsApp channel. We'll of course be giving any information coming, any update coming regarding this for the next 9 days. Will be given in the WhatsApp channel itself. So please join that. If you have joined, you'll be updated. Okay. Is there a video where you solved last year COMEDK paper? Okay, so yes, math is pending. I'm trying to do that. I think last year paper was done by maths and physics and chemistry, ma'am. I'm also trying to deliver it to you. Give me some time. I will certainly deliver the previous year paper for COMEDK. Okay, Chaturya. Sir, can we do 2024 COMEDK mock test from this channel? So this channel COMEDK mock test 2024, you're saying. Dear, why not take the redefined COMEDK mock test which we are giving in the COMEDK crash course? If you can do that, you can enroll right away and give. Total of 12 mock tests are there. You can avail, and in that again we are taking live sessions almost every day. You can get your doubts cleared in that live sessions as well. So you can take a paid one, that will be better. I'm telling you, updated question syllabus is again changed. So you can of course take the most recent one. Don't take risk at the last minute of time. If you can do it. Otherwise, if you don't have any other source, you can of course use the previous one as well. Okay, but if you can, purchase it right now. Okay, action plan for next 9 days. Of course, so in mathematics, so if you're asking the videos wise, update will be coming for the channel in your WhatsApp channel which is there. So whatever videos are coming away, you'll be getting to know in the WhatsApp only. And if you're asking me as a student, what is my plan, what should be my plan, I will prioritize my chapters of chemistry, then I'll go to the physics, and of course math will be going every day. So first prioritize chemistry, try to score out, or if not, a very good marks in chemistry. And physics, I don't know about physics right now because I don't have any correction with the physics with my the last few years. But chemistry, I would say please prefer it. It's an easy subject, and of course you can score very good marks in chemistry. For maths, we are trying to do whatever we can, do best possible. We have given the one shots as well. We have given we are doing PYQs right now, so we are doing whatever we can from our side. Okay, so just if you're asking me action plan, I will ask you to stick to your let's do one thing. I will be with me. I'll give you I'll give you a short tips video as well. Okay, I'll make a very short video which will talk about a lot of tips, means what to focus, what to do in that. So that will help you a lot to understand and to prioritize your subjects, your topics in mathematics. Okay, so I'll do that. I understand you have a requirement of that, so I'll make a strategy video for the next few days that we have left, and how can you strategize your what chapters to pick, how many questions are coming. I'm going to do all the analysis and let you know in that video. Okay, that works, no problem. You're welcome, Hydra, Vampy. So we'll do that. Whatever we can do to help you out in this short time, we'll certainly do that. But I'm telling you what, if you want a very rigorous content, please go ahead and purchase the COMEDK crash course that has been given by us. I think almost very close to a lot of students have already enrolled in the program, and they are taking the classes every day. We are having I think 6 to 7 hours of class per day with the live sessions as well. So a lot of things are going on. If you want to seriously capitalize something that is going to be there, if you want to solve mock papers, see the revision videos, please access the crash course. If you are somebody who has already enrolled in it, please seriously watch the sessions and solve the PYQ sessions which has been done. I think almost a lot of questions have been solved over there, so please go ahead and solve and practice the mocks. Okay, so okay, Decox FC, you can thank you for joining in. So anything else you have to ask, you can ask me, otherwise I'll end the session. Okay, anything else you want to ask me, guys? Okay, so I think I've taken all the questions. If not, so I hope the session, I try to keep the session concise because I wanted to give the questions, because what happens now, I have a habit of talking too much with my students, so I keep getting the comments after the live is over, sir, you are just wasting a lot of time. So I try to cover up things very fast so that you can have the discussion with me at the end of the session. Okay, so now everything is covered in the question. If you want, you can go back and watch the questions solution. Okay, works. So I think we can end the session now. Okay, so I cannot see any comment, any queries. Again, if I have missed any questions, don't worry, forgive me for that. Just leave your comments in the comment section of this live or any of the recent videos. We'll get back to you. Okay, so I can end the session now. Please take care of yourself, keep working hard, keep smiling. Have a good day, and of course I will be here. Anything you need from me, whatever we can do to help you, we'll be certainly doing that. Take care. Bye bye.